Guys, today we're taking a look at a cool fog machine. This COLBOR CineFlare CF5 is going to level up your photography and your video making. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the CineFlare CF5 fog machine from COLBOR. Now, if you don't know COLBOR, well, they make a ton of different photographic kit, and this CineFlare CF5 is just one of those pieces of kit that is gonna level up your video production. Now, before we get into it, COLBOR sent me this CF5 fog machine to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always gonna get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you've got a carry case with a lot of stuff. You've then got some of this vegetable glycerine, and this is actually the oil which creates the smoke. Now, you've got to be careful when you first get this set up. In the chamber, this is where you kind of put this oil. You've got to fill it up about 3/4, right? But make sure you leave it to settle for about 5 minutes, because otherwise you might risk burning the motor out on your first use. Then guys, you get a number of attachments and accessories. You've got little nozzles which allow you to direct the smoke. You've also got a very long nozzle which allows you to bend the smoke. Then guys, you've also got a remote control, which is super handy. And the most exciting thing that I think in this whole package is the RGB fitting with an adjustable fan. And lastly guys, you get the sponge. Now this is pretty cool as it enables you to layer smoke onto objects to create that kind of creepy, mysterious look. It was a bit windy outside when I tried this, but you know what, indoors it works great. Check it out with my disco lights, proper party atmosphere. Now guys, the COLBOR CineFlare CF5 is not your average fog machine. It's a compact handheld device with a unique gun style design. Now, this design isn't just for looks, it serves a practical purpose. The tilted body can be adjusted up to 60 degrees, which means you can direct your smoke exactly where you want it. I mean, imagine creating low angle smoke effects with ease. No more awkward positioning or struggling to get the right angle. It's also safe. The angled structure keeps hot droplets of oil away from your hands. This reduces the risk of burns during operation. And the compact style of it and size of it makes it perfect for on-the-go creators. And when it comes to smoke density, the CF5 offers an impressive 25 levels of adjustment. This gives you precise control over the concentration of smoke, so whether you want a light haze or a really thick smoke, you can get it. Also guys, when it comes to power, a 40-watt power output means it delivers twice the smoke volume of a traditional 20-watt machine. The 12 milliliter oil chamber allows for continuous maximum output for up to 10 minutes, which is perfect for stage performances, film shoots, or even themed parties, or just some plain old product shots. But wait, there is more. The CF5 comes with a magnetic RGB light. This feature lets you add color to your smoke effects. So you know what, you don't need to use external lights. It's got them built in. I mean, imagine the possibilities for photography and events. Colourful smoke for wedding photos, vibrant hues for music videos. The CF5 makes it all possible. And guys, the built-in magnetic fan is another clever addition. You can adjust its speed to shape the smoke flow, create smoke waterfalls for food photography, enhance light scattering for character modelling. I mean, the possibilities are only limited by our imaginations. And guys, controlling the CF5 is also easy with that included remote. It works from up to 10 meters away, so you can adjust settings and parameters, etc., without being tied to the machine. This flexibility is great for complex setups or live performances. Now guys, one unique feature of the CF5 is its master mode. This mode lets you customize smoke duration, interval timing, and the number of smoke bursts. It's perfect for users with specific smoke release needs. Experiment and find the perfect settings for your projects. Now guys, when it comes to the smoke liquid, well, the CF5 uses food grade plant glycerine. It's colourless, odourless, and it won't interfere with your work. So no more worries about smoke, dust, or unpleasant smells. So guys, there you have it, the COLBOR CineFlare CF5 in all its smoky glory. This little machine packs a big punch in the world of special effects. From its unique design to its powerful output, it's a game changer for creators. Whether you're a filmmaker, a photographer, or even a YouTuber, this CF5 has something to offer. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up this bad boy for just £119 on Amazon, which I might add seems way too cheap considering the features that it delivers. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to COLBOR for sending me this cool tool to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.